going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So say you have injectors on your 12 valve that you want to change, but you don't have the tool to take them out. In this video I'm going to show you how to take them out with just a small piece of pipe and a nut. So follow along and hopefully you'll learn something, and this will get you out of a pinch if your injectors are stuck and you don't have the tool. So let's get it done. So all you need to extract the injectors is a piece of pipe that slides over the end, but it can't slide over too far. You just want the end of the thread sticking out. So when it's sitting on the head, it should look like this. And then you just need a nut that threads down onto the top, and as you're tightening the nut, it will pull the injector out. Now, these injectors have a locating ball on them. So that little ball goes down into a groove inside the head, and that prevents the injector from spinning. So it can't spin, so it'll just pop right out. So all you do, take your piece of pipe, slide it over the injector like so, take your nut, thread it on, take your wrench, in my case it's a 22 millimeter, and then just tighten the nut down. And as you're tightening the nut, the injector will come up and get extracted right out of there. There we go, injector's out, everything's all good. Just take your nut off, take a piece of pipe out, then move on to the next one. So thank you for watching, everybody. Hopefully you learned something, found this video helpful and informative, and teach you a trick that you didn't necessarily know. So don't forget to like us on Facebook, subscribe on YouTube, and follow us on Instagram, and we'll see you in the next one.